The Uconnect Box Requires Service warning is one of the most common infotainment issues affecting Chrysler, Jeep, and Dodge vehicles, particularly those manufactured between 2013 and 2023. The Uconnect system is the central hub that manages all your vehicle's connectivity features. This includes GPS navigation, Wi-Fi hotspot capabilities, SiriusXM satellite radio, emergency calling services, and remote start functionality. There are 5 main root causes for this warning: software corruption from incomplete updates or system crashes, hardware failure due to overheating or component degradation, antenna issues from disconnection or damage, power supply problems from voltage fluctuations, and network connectivity issues. When this warning appears, you'll experience several symptoms: loss of GPS navigation functionality, inability to connect to the Wi-Fi hotspot, unavailable SiriusXM services, disabled emergency call features, and non-functional remote start or vehicle tracking capabilities. Recent data from 2024 and 2025 reveals that 15 to 20% of affected vehicles experience recurring issues even after initial repairs, highlighting the persistent nature of this problem across the affected vehicle lineup. Before seeking professional help, there are 2 reset methods you can try yourself. The first is a soft reset, which has a 25% success rate and is the easiest to perform. Here's your Uconnect interface. To perform a soft reset, first turn your ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Next, locate the Uconnect system power button and the volume up button. Hold both buttons simultaneously for 10 to 15 seconds until the system reboots automatically. If the soft reset doesn't resolve the issue, try the hard reset method, which has a 45% success rate and involves disconnecting your car's battery. For the hard reset, you'll need to disconnect the negative battery terminal. Here's what your car battery looks like, with the terminal connection highlighted in red. Follow these steps carefully. Disconnect the negative battery terminal. Wait at least 15 minutes, then reconnect it. Allow the system 5 to 10 minutes to fully initialize after reconnecting. If both reset methods fail, professional solutions are available. A dealer software reflash costs $150 to $300 with an 85% success rate, while complete module replacement costs $800 to $1,500 with a 95% success rate. To prevent future issues, keep your software updated, avoid interrupting system updates, and protect your vehicle from extreme temperatures when possible. Regular maintenance can help avoid costly repairs.